the South China Sea to the west. Size. Las Piñas City covers a land area of 30.16 square kilometers or 12.62 square miles. Population. As of the 2020 census, Las Piñas had a population of 606,293 residents. This population represents approximately 1.50% of the total population of the NCR. Quezon City, geographical location. Quezon City is strategically located immediately northeast of Manila, the capital of the Philippines. It lies central Luzon, the largest island in the Philippines. Archipelago named after President Manuel Luis Quezon. The city officially replaced Manila as the capital in 1948. Size. Quezon City has a land area of approximately 171.71 square kilometers or 66.30 square miles. Population. As determined by the 2020 census, Quezon City's population was 2,960, 960,48 residents. This represents about 21.9% of the total population of NCR.
Mandaluyong. Geography and location. Mandaluyong is situated 7 kilometers southwest of Manila and 8 kilometers west of Pasig. To the south lies Makati, while to the northwest is San Juan, and to the northeast is Quezon City. Thus, Mandaluyong is strategically located at the very center of Metro Manila. Size. The city has a total land area of approximately 9.9 square kilometers or 3.9 square miles. Population. As determined by the 2020 census, Mandaluyong's population was 425,758 residents. This population represents approximately 3.63% of the total population of the National Capital Region. Manila. Manila is part of the National Capital Region of the Philippines. It is located on the eastern shore of Manila Bay, which provides a sheltered harbor. The city spreads along the deltaic plain of the Pasig River, which flows to the northwestward into Manila Bay. The city of Manila covers an area of approximately 38.55 square kilometers or 14.88 square miles. As of the 2020 census, the National Capital Region, which includes Manila, has a population of 13,484,262 residents.
Taguig. Geography and location. Taguig is a land city within Metro Manila, situated in the southern part of the region. It is geographically small but holds significant cultural and historical prominence. Taguig is a city located on the western coast of Laguna Divide. Size. The city has a land area of approximately 45 to 21 square kilometers or 17.46 1,866 residents. This is represented about 6.58% of the total population of the NCR. Makati. Geography and located. Makati is a landlocked city